choreographed by Neils Poulsen. It is a 48 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts, one on wall 3 and one on wall 5, both after 32 counts. It also has a bridge on wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section with steps and counts. We'll then practice one wall all the way through with steps and counts before learning the bridge and practicing where those restarts happen, so that when we go all the way around, you can dance it all the way through wall 5 and include both restarts and the bridge so that you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Devil in a Dress. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot to the right side, and then you're going to do 2 syncopated sailor steps, starting with your left foot behind your right. Behind, out, out, then with your right, behind, out, out. We're now going to step our left foot back, and you're going to sweep your right from front to back, cross your right behind your left, and make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. We're going to end that section by doing a locking shuffle forward, stepping forward with the right, bring your left into your right, right forward. Let's try that with some counts, stomping to the side. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to continue our turn over our right shoulder. We're going to do a full turning triple. So we're going to make a half turn, stepping back with our left foot. We're now at 9. We're going to continue that turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot. You're now at 3, and you're going to step forward with your left. We're going to end the section by rocking forward onto our right foot. And as you recover, you're going to sweep your right foot from front to back. And then we're going to sit down onto our right foot and pop your left knee. So let's try that with some counts. We're here for 8 and 1. We're going to do our pivot. It's 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. On wall 5, that is where your bridge will happen. From here, for section 3, we're going to recover onto our left foot, and we're going to sweep our right from back to front. You're now going to do presses forward and side. Your weight is staying on your left foot. Your right toe is just going forward and then to the side. And then we're going to weave behind, side, cross. Step your left foot to the left side, and you're going to do a half sailor step over your right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping back with your right, quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, and cross your right over your left to end facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. We ended the previous section by sitting back on our right foot with our left knee popped. This part will make sense on wall 3 because it really hits the beat on that wall. So we're recovering and sweeping. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to do a ball cross. So we're going to step our left foot to the side and cross our right over our left. You're going to make 1/8 of a turn, stepping forward with your left foot into the 730 diagonal. And then we're going to do a right lock step forward, stepping forward with the left. Bring your left foot into your right, step your right foot forward. We're going to end this section by doing a step half pivot. So we're going to step forward with our left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now at 130. We're now going to make a 3/8 turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to end at 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock our right foot back and recover. On walls 3 and 5, that is where you will restart the dance. So let's do that last part with some counts. We ended at 9 o'clock, right cross over our left for our sailor. We're doing our ball cross. It's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 5, we're going to do a half chug around. You're going to end up doing 3 chugs with 1 being a step. So we're going to start with our right foot. You're going to step this right foot forward, making a quarter turn, step. Now we're going to make another quarter turn, stepping our right foot side. And then you're going to finish it by squaring yourself up to the back wall, stepping to the side. We're now going to rock our left foot back, recover. You're going to repeat that over your right shoulder, doing the same thing, but with your left foot. So you're going to step left, left, step left. Now rock our right foot back, recover. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, we're chugging around. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. How you do those chugs, as long as you do 3 to end with your weight onto the other foot, your direction and how far you travel on each one is kind of up to your comfort. But you want to make sure that on that third step, you're facing the back wall or the front wall and you've completed a half turn. From here, we are going to rock, recover with our right foot. This is our last section of the dance. So we're going to rock forward with our right. I want you to take your time with this rock. So you're going to step your right foot forward, and as you recover back onto your left foot, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. We're now going to step back with our right and sweep your left from front to back. Now we're going to do a weave with our left, left behind, right side, left cross. You're going to tap your right toe next to your left, and then into the right diagonal, you're going to push forward with your right foot, push, recover, and you're going to end the dance by doing a sailor step where your last count will start the dance all over again. So we're going to go right behind, left side, and then our step to the side, we'll start our stomp with 1. So let's try that with some counts. We just chugged around. So our weight is on our left foot. You're pushing forward with that right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1 to start the dance all over again. Let's turn around, face the front wall. Let's do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts, and then we'll talk about the bridge and the restarts. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our stomp. It's stomp, sailor, step back, sweep, behind, quarter, locking shuffle forward, step, half, 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 forward, rock, back, sweep, pop and sit, forward, press forward, side, weave behind, side, cross, side, half, sailor, step, ball, cross, eighth, locking shuffle forward, step, half 3/8 back, rock and chug, chug, step, rock, back, chug, chug, step, rock and press, sweep, back sweep, behind, side, cross, tap, press, recover, behind, side, start for 1 all over again. Let's turn around and do that front wall with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our right. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1 to start the dance all over again. So now let's talk about that bridge. Our bridge is going to happen on wall 5. You will be ending your section where you're popped like this. All we are going to do is do hip rolls forward and back. So you're going to step onto your left foot, push your left hip forward, recover back onto your right, push your right hip back, push your left hip forward again, putting your weight onto your left, and then sit back down onto your right foot to complete the remainder of the dance. So you're just adding that little 4 count part into the dance, and you will continue the dance from that point. So we're not leaving anything, we're not restarting. You're going to dance the first part, add that 4 counts in, and then you'll go into your forward, press, press, behind, side, cross. So let's try that bridge with some counts. We sat back, you're pushing forward. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and complete the rest of the dance. So let's dance wall 5 up to that point and add our bridge in. We're doing our sailor step. It's side, sailor, step back, sweep, behind, quarter, locking shuffle forward, step, half, step, rock, back, sweep, and pop, add your bridge hip, forward, back. Now we're gonna step forward. Forward sweep, press, behind, side, cross, side, half, sailor, step, ball, cross, eighth, locking shuffle forward, step, half, 3/8, rock and stop right here. On wall 5, you will then restart and start the dance all over again with your side, sailor, step, okay? So now let's talk about those restarts since I just brought it up. Wall 1, 48 counts. Wall 2, 48 counts. Wall 3 is only going to be the 32 to put us on the back wall. So where we just danced for wall 5 and we did our half, 3/8 rock and, each time you will restart the dance there on wall 3 and on wall 5. Now let's go all the way around. We're gonna practice all the way up through our final restart and dance the next wall so you can get how the restarts flow into the next wall. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps, and on the back wall, we will do counts. So facing 12 o'clock, your weight's on your left foot, we're doing our stomp and sailors. It's side, sailor, step back, sweep, behind, quarter, locking shuffle forward, step, half, step, press, sweep, sit back and pop, forward, press, behind, side, cross, side, half, sailor, step, ball, cross, eighth, locking shuffle forward, step, half, 3/8 back, rock and half chug, chug, rock, back, half chug, chug, rock and press, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, tap, press, recover, sailor, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 32, side, sailor, step back, sweep, behind, quarter, locking shuffle forward, step, half, forward, press, sweep, back, pop, forward, rock, press, and behind, side, cross, side, half, sailor, step, ball, cross, eighth, locking shuffle forward, step, half, 3/8 back, rock and restart, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and side, sailor, step back, sweep, behind, quarter, locking shuffle forward, step, half, step, press, sweep, back, sit, add your bridge, go forward, back, now do your forward, sweep, press, sweep, forward, press, weave, side, sailor, half, turn, ball, cross, step, locking shuffle forward, step, half, 3/8 back, rock and restart, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, to keep going. On the last wall, you will end facing 12 o'clock. So you'll dance the back wall, you'll end with your sailor, and you're just going to step your right foot to the right side to end the dance. And that is your ending. I hope this helps you learn devil in a dress. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.